nari soldier. Baby, you follow my step. Umeni loga, obiri ngoga. Najani ko mari konsindiri y'umukobwa. Wangisi lova, nari soldier. Baby, you follow my step. Now never prema. Baby, you never pressure. Day by day. Baby, you are my treasure. Day by day. Baby, you never pressure. Day by day. Baby, you are my treasure. Esijya wireba ukibona atutameranye neza n'umunsi umwema ahari numva ko utabyibaza sinzi uko naba mu gihe udahari ndahwera when you touch me I feeling your body iyo turi kumwe urashima nkanashega erega nasanze nakeza umurenge urafunga nkakureba erega nasanze nabwiza umurenge dale je t'aime cyane urabona ko tuberanye obiri ngoga najyani ko mari konsindiri y'umukobwa wagize lova nari soldier baby you follow my step now never prema baby you never pressure day by day baby you are my treasure day by day baby you never pressure day by day baby you are my treasure.
hakuno do Steven do shano muraza kwihanganira sound gake hari ukuntu bitameze fresh
Coming.
inshira naribi shano Steven gake ni iki byose ebe kumbe sebukwe ni waje hakuno rebe filime witonze gake nababwiye ngo sound hari ukuntu bitameze fresh hari ukuntu umuntu aba yasarayemo gakeya muraza kwihanganira aje ebe gake bucece ni iki byose
Steven, you're impulsive.
ibintu uri kwikira wawe
You don't belong to this hotel.
ntabwo ukwiriye kuba muri hoteli
Pack things now.
pakira ibintu byawe none
Please,
muzeburetse
don't minimize this issue so much.
mbabarira wica iki kibazo dufitanye amazi
It's a big deal here.
hano birakomeye sibyo
What if it were you?
ese abaye ari wowe
What would you do in my place?
abaye ari wowe uri mu mwanya wanjye wakora iki
Hard situation for a man.
ni ibibazo
right,
bikomeye
son.
ku muntu w'umugabo nkanjye
I would do the same if I were you. You're right, son. I
baye ndi wowe
would
nakora nk'ibyo wakoze ni ukuri uri mukuri ariko nanone
only if I did have to leave my kids behind.
bibaye ari binsaba gusiga abana banje inyuma
You have 3 more children other than Yama
ese uribuka ko ufite abandi bana batatu nyuma ya yamana ari cyangwa
than his children because he's angry with his wife.
sukikire gutyo kubera yuko ikibazo cya yamana nicyo nyine kuba afite ikibazo ntabwo bituma bihinduka
Not at all, sir.
Then come
rero
and
muzehe nuko
found
bigomba
out.
kugenda upfa
Okay, I don't
Okay.
want you to give my daughter one more chance. I wish you could.
basi
Can't force
njye
it.
mbaye ari njyewe wahuye n'ikibazo nk'icyo wahuye nacyo natanga andi mahirwe ya nyuma nawe ugomba kuba umukobwa wanjye
Yeah.
Steven hakuno nababwiye muraza kwihanganira sound hari ukuntu bitameze fresh gakeya
Children.
wenda barwaye mu bugiripe yasaraye n'iki byose bigende mu gace mwihangane hakuno
You can't just drink when you're
rekana
Well,
sasa yamani na se hano hakuno
with olive oil and then we'll drink it.
nyuma ya byose twinywera
Please, bring us some things. You slept.
umusa watuza n'icupa nkakwereka utuntu twikorera se hakuno
Huh? Thank you, sir.
urakoze nyakuba
Sure thing. Will you two be needing anything else then?
nta kindi kintu muri
Say
bukeneye
it.
Yes,
muvugisha ariko
I
umusaza
need a life without lies and deceit.
nanjye nkeneye ubundi buzima bushyashya butarimo ibinyoma n'ibiki niyamana
You, Sir Harry, you turned out to be a king, you know.
umusa uri umwami kabisa
Understood it all the first day.
wewe wabyumvisha ku munsi wa mbere
You know, the lady whose name you couldn't remember,
uribuka wa mugore wambwiye ngo ntibuke izina rye
her name is Natalie.
izina rye bamwita
Ah,
Natalie
that's right.
cyane
That's her name.
niryo zina rye hakuno yamana ari gusinda
Let me tell you a bigger surprise.
reka nkubwire akantu kagutungura
This doctor here is my father.
uyu muganga uri hano ni papa wanjye
Remember the first time we came, you asked if I was his son?
uribuka ubushize nzana ukatubaza nimba ndi umwana we
Yeah.
Yego.
George.
George
Brother.
muza mumvane
I would say God bless you.
nakakubwiye ngo imana yaguhaye
Hey,
umugisha
I really don't.
ariko ntabyo
The
navuga
truth-
kuko nta buryo
we
bwite
said-
ntabwo pe
Let's say,
basi
if you'll excuse us, we'll have some alone time.
ubaye turetse dufite akanya turi kuganira njye n'umuhungu wanjye buduhaye akanya muze bacaho nababwiye ngo muraza kwihanganira sawundi hari ukuntu umuntu aba yasarayemo gakeya sibyo
How can you say that?
ese gute uvuga ibintu nk'ibyo warwana we niyamana ari
Ah,
umva wisinda ariko wikabya
obviously, I'm gonna teach you since you can't do this without.
reka mbanze guhereka utuntu nimba utabasha kutwigisha reka mbikwigishe fata hakuno umugati ashyiramo nimba ari cheese nimba ari ibicakira hakuno
Good.
umwana na papa rebe
Let it sit in your mouth first.
banza ureke ariko ibiryo bihekenye bigume mu kanwa abisomeza byera ari gusomeza ifarini byeri rebe hakuno
My mom lied to everyone,
mwabeshya abantu bose
right in front of their eyes as well. Doctor,
muga
would you say you're mad at Mom?
No.
But why?
I don't like being mad at her.
mama amusize mu rugo wapi
I don't like being mad though.
njyewe simba nshaka kwivanga mu bibazo by'abantu cyangwa ngo
Get
mbigire
rid of that emotion.
ni George Aiden
Anger, don't be like that.
kandi ntukigire gutyo wa mwana we
Screw you, man.
sibyo yama
You carrying such a ridiculous emotion on your shoulders.
ntukajye witwara gutyo
You're
ugereke ibibazo byose ku bitugu byawe
Stay calm, don't be mad. You're saying I should say okay and forgive.
I'm telling you to listen. Just listen. It's easy.
wa mwana ari kukubwira ngo unyizere kandi nyizere
Over.
ni ibintu byoroshye
Have to listen.
nyumva
Look,
nyumva reba
what's this place?
ahantu turi bi
About. We'll open the door you slammed in your mum's face. How about it?
No. That door is locked forever now.
wigeze gukubita urugi mama wawe mu maso ubyumva utera uriya rugi byari ngombwa icyo gihe kumbe bakiraho akiraho ngaho rebe hari uwaje hakuno Natalie yaje hano Natalie bibutsa abantu muri kumva sound itameze neza ni kwa kuntu umuntu aba arwaye byagoranye byanze ariko ukavuga uti kubera ukuntu nkunda abanyarwanda nyine inshuro nka miliyoni reka niyeranje nkore no mu burwayi gakeya sibyo
Did you bring him here, George?
And you're asking him to answer.
Yeah, man. Oh,
ari muri hano George
Natalie.
uri kumubaza ngo asubize isi yamani tuzi Natalie
No. I'll just sit over here, okay? Please don't.
tambuka wicare yagiye ndicara hano we ikomeza ryiriya ahubwo aba ari wowe wicara yagiye kugenda icara hano wa mwana ni Natalie yaje hakuno urebe yaje hano gake gake mucice mu gace urebe filime witonze
Yes, doctor.
muga ugende mu gake
If only the truth then.
nimba ariko kuri koko ko yajyako shaka tukuganireho sibyo ni Natalie George nawe hakuno yamani nawe hakuno babiganireho nka famiye reba filime witonze kumbe barakwereka hano
Man,
Selina mama
who?
iki
Out now. Get out of my house.
sohoka vano tumuka Se,
I
sohoka
don't want you here.
sinshaka kongera kukubona hano
It was because of him.
nukubera
My child Emmett died because
niyo
of it.
mpamvu wa mwana ngo ni Emmett yapfuye kuki
He just stood up and he had finally started to walk. For years in that wheelchair, he only wanted one
imyaka yose uriya mwana ari mu gatebe agendera mu kagare k'abamugaye
the store alone.
akimara gukira umwambura ubuzima bwe muze
Daughter.
Call me daughter, okay?
winyita umukobwa wawe
You just brought trouble with yourself. Get out!
ibibazo niwe wabizanye tumuka wazanye n'ibibazo sohoka
A minute.
akanya ariko
I'm so sorry for that boy.
ni ukuri
I'm
gusabye
sorry, but
imbabazi kubera uriya mwana n'ibyabaye
I didn't kill that boy, okay?
sibyo
Didn't do it.
ariko ntacyo ari njye wabikoze
It's okay if being angry with me will make you feel better.
kundakarira nta kibazo nimba wumva bituma umeze neza
Blame me, I'm innocent.
ariko ndi inzirakarengane uranyumva
What does it have to do with your father? He's not guilty.
mbese papa wawe urihe nabyo ko n'ubundi icyaha kitamuha
Men that are chasing him killed someone else that I
bariya
know.
bagabo baje ariyo baje guhiga birangira bishe undi muntu uyu musaza rero
Or one of
Mark Amba azi ukuri kwa
Just
nyako
think
ariko
never-
ntashaka kukuvuga kuko Steven ni uri mu kibazo
You-
Steven niwe wagongesheje uriya mwana atumye bamuha
I'm here to protect you, okay?
uwo mwana ndi hano ngo nkurinde urumva
How about from yourself? I don't
je ntabwo nshaka kundinda urandinda iki
in my life, not in my house.
je sohoka uve muri iyi nzu tuvire mu buzima uve muri iyi nzu tumuke
You want it or not.
wabyanga wabishaka utabishaka ni hano ndi papa wawe nta hantu namwe nzinjira njya reka please ndabasabye abantu mwese muri kureba iyi filime mwihangane Saudi ntabwo ibimeze neza ni kwa kundi umuntu aba yarwaye nyine ariko akavuga ati reka mbareke mukore akazi wanjye arwaye hakuno ebe filime witonze gake gake
Leave this house.
genda gusa byose aho kuve muri iyi nzu sohoka uve muri iyi nzu nutayivamo ndayivamo Selina arishima we n'iby'abashaka n'ubundi ntashaka ko umukobwa na se babana mu mahoro urebe hakuno gake gake rucece mu gace urebe
When I couldn't reach your father, that's when the message came.
sasa hakuno ubwo ntari nkivugana na siko nibwo message nayibonye ubutumwa bwangezeho
I thought that he left me.
nibwo nabonye ko papa wawe yansize niko nabitekereje
I mean, that's what I thought at the time.
njye nicyo natekereje icyo gihe
Grandpa scrapped the doctor pretty bad.
muganga yatimbaguye sogokuru yatimbaguye umuganga cyane
Thought this kind of thing only happens in the movies.
nari nzi ko ibyo bintu biba muri filime gusa sana yoga rwana
I'm not telling you a story.
njye ntabwo ndi kukubwira inkuru zisanzwe si imigani
Downplay it now.
ndi kukubwira inkuru za nyazo zigabanyamo imikino rero
But it wasn't easy for me.
nanjye ntabwo byari binyoroheye
I know how I suffered.
nzi ukuntu nababaye nuko byambaje
Even if it's wrong, I thought it was the right thing
It
then.
was.
nubwo bitari ibyanyabyo ariko numvaga ndi mukuru wa mwana we sumenyere rero kuba nariyumvishije ko siko yantaye kandi atantaye njye niko nabyumvaga
Why did you give birth to me?
kuki wambyaye ubundi kuki wambyaye
Look at what he's saying. Son,
mwana wanjye
will this woman apologize for birthing you?
She will.
ugora gusaba imbabazi kuko yakubyaye yakabaye ziba arwana araziba hakuno
Worth it.
okay sa ntaribi
Was it worth all the trouble?
basi ibibazo byose byari ngombwa
It's what you put me through. Was it worth...
ibiki mwagiye kunyuza mu bundi bite byabyo
Yes, it was.
byari ngombwa nyine byari ngombwa George Hayden mwibuke Selena duheruka kuri kuganira na karamubwira ati ubundi wafashe umugabo n'umwana bagukunda ibyo
The lion.
hakuno
It was worth. I think it's okay.
Was it worth...
byari ngombwa kandi ndakeka ko ari sawa koko cyane
What about her children?
hanyuma abana be
Guys, you told your kids too?
nta nubwo wari kubibwira abana bawe
We're all under it now. I'm sorry, Mom.
umbabarire mama
For now.
umbabarire ibyabaye ariko njye mbaye icara mvuze gute icara none acyaswa hose kicarira ingiga y'igiti nimuze cyecuru
Not talking yet.
nayo mayoga yareke ndakwiyama umukecuru ayitamo rebe
What am I to do, huh? Do I just drink the whole table?
ubundi arakeka ari iki cyanzanye hano kunywa aya meza
I
yose
can talk to you from the same place as well.
naje hano ngo tuvugane kubera ikibazo kiri hano
I'm
twese
sorry.
uranyumva kwitwara gutyo rero
I'm sorry for what I did, alright?
ibyabaye ibyo nakoze mbibasaba imbabazi ariko wikwitwara gutyo wa mwana uranyumva
But I won't apologize for giving birth to you.
ntabwo ndibuze kugusabira imbabazi kuba narakubyaye uranyumva
Because I don't regret that at all.
kubera ko sinigeze nanabyicuza uranyumva
I'm glad I gave birth to you.
njye ushema no kuba narakubyaye wa mwana we mukecuru ni Natalie hakuno rebe ushema no kuba narakubyaye wa mwana we sinzi yama Nali kumbe twigarukire hakuno mu rugo Soyiselani
Come.
injira avuye kuvana umugabo muri hoteli uyu mugabo yari ari mu ndaya nubwo zitaje yari yagiye kureba yabwiye Selina ngo bahahurire yazamutse hakuno jira n'ubwado kakarira papa urakazane
Mountain men don't give up that easily now, do they?
nari biscuit utari butureke gutyo gusa muze wabiko
That's my dad.
uyu niwe papa wanjye
Jerk.
ihirana wa cyana we hakuno
Welcome.
kaza neza mu rugo muze
You won't go back, will you?
ntabwo uri busubire ariko hari ubwo uri busubire
One person who had to go.
niba hari umuntu ugomba kugenda
And then he's gone, so we can go back to
bagiye rero twe turi kumwe nka famiye twasubirana
Children, I've come here to confront you and talk to you.
mwabana mwinjiye hano ngo bafite mu mugongo cyangwa abe hafi nta kindi kibazo sibyo
Mom isn't at home now.
ariko mama nawe uri hano ubu ngubu ari
Where is she?
ari he
Where else, Dad?
urumva ari handi muze ubwo yagiye mu bagabo be nyine yagiye mu bagabo biwe hakuno
If I didn't find the doctor, you wouldn't have told me?
mu magambo make iyo naza kubona uyu muganga ntiwari kubimbwira yaba natangiye gusinda
I wouldn't tell you.
ntabyo nari kukubwira pe
I was leaving at the time.
nanjye nari ndi kugenda icyo gihe cyagiye ajya kumuzana bamubwiye ngo hari umugabo wa mbere ushoboye ibintu byo kubaga wabaga wa mwana bamwita ndarya Emeti umva se nsomenyaho yari gutera udushoti ni Natalie
What?
iki
You will both listen to me when you are sober.
That might be hard for me.
mwese
You-
ariko yumva mukiri soba none ndi kubona ntazi ibyanyu
Might be hard, so no promises.
umpe
Maybe I'll be over there, like way on the other side of the world right now. Who knows, right?
ubundi nakabaye ndi nko ku rundi ruhande rw'isi hakurya
Saying
iriya
I had a child.
ntazi ko mfite n'uyu mwana nawe ari gushinza amakosa Natalie atamubwiye ko babyaranye
You didn't even want to have a kid.
nta nubwo washaka kubyara umva se ndakwiyama
You said that there were so many kids
warambwiye ngo
were
abandi bana benshi
important to take care of them
bari
and
ku muhanda bo kwitabwaho ushaka kwitaho
precious for you to be a father, to take responsibility.
ntabwo washaka kuba papa ngo wakire inshuro
I was a child, okay?
cye nari nkiri umwana ariko
2
waramaze
years older than him, okay? Maybe not. Did I know what I wanted at that time? Did I know what I was saying?
uratekereza kiriya gihe nari nzi icyo gukora cyari icyo kuvuga
You're
waramaze
very decisive, and every time I brought it up, you shut me down.
buri gihe nazanaga ibintu byo kubyara warambwiraga ngo nzibe
Tonight.
waranzibishaga Natalie
What were we doing before the diagnosis?
A consultation.
ubundi umuganga akora iki mbere yo kubaga umuntu abanza kumuganiriza kugira ngo amushyire ibitekerezo bizima mu
If I
mutwe
listened,
rero nawe ntiwigeze unyumva nawe nuko byagenze nashaka kukuganiriza wanga kunyumva uranyumva neza cyane
experience,
5-5 cyangwa wumve hakuno
I was scared.
nari mfite ubwoba
I'm saying I was scared.
ikindi nari umwana
Scared of having a kid.
ni gute umwana wabyara undi mwana
I was scared I wouldn't be a good dad.
nari mfite ubwoba ko ntazavamo umupapa muzima ntazavamo umupapa mwiza uranyumva cyangwa
My parents didn't want me. They threw me on the street.
ababyeyi banjye ntibashaka ko nca muri ibyo
Tilly, have you ever thought about what kind of trauma this man might have about raising a family. I mean,
ese wigeze utekereza ngo uyu mugabo yaca mu trauma yo kurera umuryango akawukuza? Wigeze ubitekerezaho cyangwa ikibazo koko?
I have a son.
None ufite umwana
like a whole lion.
Umeze nk'intare.
How could I not want him?
Gute se uyu mwana ntamwifuza? Bonereho kubwira abana bose, ababyeyi babo cyane cyane ababa mama babwiye ngo siko nimbwa ngo arakwanga, uzashaka ukuntu mwimenyera ukuri. Hari igihe wasanga mama ari budashobotse ugasanga uri kurenganyiriza amakosa papa wawe. Kandi please I'm begging you, basabye imbabazi abantu mwese muri kureba iyi filime, basabye imbabazi bivuye ku mutima, sibyo? Saudi muri kumva ko bitameze neza, ariko muri hankana tuyirebe cyane ko ndashaka ibyo ndi kuvuga muri kubyumva, sibyo? Ejo tuzayisobanura. Saudi yazamutse hejuru, mba nasarayemo gakeya bitewe n'ukuntu mba maze iminsi nsakuza ndi kubakorera filime kugira tugendane 5 kuri 5, sibyo? Bombe hakuno barakwereka Steven hano mu rugo nakarira na mukecuru yaje.
Will Natalie come back?
Natararagaruka.
She'll call me back when she sees my call.
Araza kumpamagara nimuhamagara.
Don't worry, she'll come.
Mwene mukiri kibazo aragaruka.
Service will begin when she's back, right?
Yes.
Tuze kurya garutse cyangwa cyane. Hakuno bari kwibaza ibya Natalie, nimba ari bugaruke cyatari bugaruke bamubuze. Steven dahita yinjira nka byamufasha, kumbe Steven twe turamo ni imbeshu y'umugabo ni maraya yigize ashwe. Kumbe hakuno yabyutse ajya guhiga igiceni ni Alicia, kumbe barakwereka hakuno inde.
I'll see you again.
Turaza kongera kubonana mwana. Kinguri hakuno Kaisari asigiye gukora biro z'ibiyobyabwenge bifasha kugura ibyo kunywa, nimba asigaye ari umupushayi sinzi rebe hakuno.
What are you doing?
Uri gukora ibiki?
Are you the one to work when I'm here?
Niwowe ugiye gukora akazi ndi hano?
What are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
Nta kintu ndi gukora.
What's this money? What the hell are you up for?
Amafaranga wayavanye sana.
Did Yuri steal your mind?
Sigaye wiba amafaranga
Since Yami's not around.
naye wibye y'abantu ubwo adahari.
Just stop it. You don't know anything. For God's
Ariko sereka kwikira gutya.
borrow this money, okay? I borrowed from Eddie till I find a job eventually.
Back off.
Ashatse
Bye.
akazi akahe kazi.
It'll be for his son.
You've gone on too long, Alice. I robbed
Alice uri kwinjira gutya ariko nawe umaze iminsi udahari.
God.
Nega amashyi.
See, if I really rob a bank, this is what I'd get.
Wasanga naribye na banki akaba ariyo navanye.
Okay, go home. Just leave the trolley. I'll take it back.
Kujya mu kazi ariko kagutumye.
Okay, I'm late.
Reka mbanze ngende kwanza nanakererewe ndaje.
Okay?
Jya mu rugo se ntunsaze.
Screw him up.
Kiriya kigoryi ni nayo hakuno. Sunika ingorofani yiwe, mwibuke niyo ngorofani y'amani yatwaraga niwo murage wa famiye. Hey!
Did that happen to her?
Cyamucendeje bite mama?
Would never not answer her phone.
I don't want to forget, but circumstances forces me to think this right now.
Yano.
Maybe she's with her other son, huh?
Cyawasanga mama ari kumwe n'undi muhungu we. Yigire mu bana yabyaye mu mihana.
Oh, he's so messed up. His mother will pick him up.
No way, Alex.
N'ubundi mama araza kujya kumutora nta buryo na bumwe Alex.
Children,
Mwabana Steven,
don't push your mother away any longer.
mwihatiriza mama wanyu.
Maybe she just doesn't want to answer.
Wabona ari uko adashaka kwitaba.
Patient.
Rero mwimutekerereza
Right now, Father,
Papa
to be
nabyo.
together with the worldly son of hers, or to run away from us.
Wabona ari kumwe na mwana wo mu gasozi
Exactly, my...
cyangwa ashaka kudukwepa.
Let's not be afraid of the answer, right?
Ariko nta kibazo, reka twere guhangayikira igisubizo bari buduhe.
To the worldly.
Tugabanye ubwoba buri birimo. Sibyo? Hakuno. Soyiserane nawe ari hano.
See if she's there.
Reka mbaze Eve nimba ariho mama ari. Kize gutya hamagara Eva kwa muganga.
I'm sorry to itch.
Kumba umwana yibereye hakuno, yamagaye Eva yamagaye ne sinzi.
That's okay.
I will still apologize to my family.
Umukecuru yamaze gusinda hakuno imbutabuta.
I will. Everyone.
Umukecuru yamaze gutera shoti hasinze. Sasa yamana ari hano.
Doctor,
Muga.
Huh?
Iki?
Answer the phone.
yitabe nyine iyo telefone yitabe.
But now,
Iki none
mother with you.
mama muri kumwe
Here.
cyane. Ahitamo kupa turi kumwe nyine ikindi ubaza n'iki se ni nyoko wawe wenyine.
Why did you shut the phone on him?
Kubera icyo uzimije
About
phone.
his mother. Why don't you just tell him I
Kandi
can...
ari kukubaza ibya nyina.
Oh, it's just, Doctor, he's not... I mean,
Moga.
he's not such a person.
Ntabwo uriya ari umuntu nyine icyo cyawe ntabwo ari umuntu wo
Yeah.
kubwira ibyo bintu wapi kabisa.
I will apologize to Alex too. I have already, but
Sandaza kubasabira imbabazi ka Alex mukecuru yasinze.
Harry, check.
Icupa riri mu kazi.
Wanda,
Riri mu kazi ure.
You put your coat on? Come on.
Doctor, I'll call them now. And
Gare
my
nka mutwe bose basinze.
Yeah.
Ari yamani
Be my-
mukecuru bose icupa ryabahaye.
Recover first. She should sober up. No problem.
Sigira ikibazo mugira ikibazo.
Yeah. Thank you, Harry. Come on.
everyone,
Ntaribi hakuno baratashye.
see,
Bacyura umukecuru yagasinze.
I'm not...
why?
Ameze neza kubera iki?
You was, and shut the phone.
Kombe hakuno uriya mukika aragitabye azimya na telefone.
Just don't bother her. Let them hang up then.
Ase wijya kumusaza mama nawe ari buze kwizana wa.
That brother. Damn her son.
Watch your words.
Oya mama ari kumwe n'umuvandimwe kiriya kigoryi ngo ni umuhungu
He
we.
is your brother
We n'umuvandimwe wanjye ariko.
and my son.
Ni n'umuhungu wanjye.
This truth will never change no matter what.
Yo,
Ibyo ni ukuri kutazahinduka icyaba icyo ari cyo cyose.
thought-
Mwumvire siko mwabana.
when he's supporting that wildly.
Alex,
Gute twamwumvira ari guhashyigikira uriya munyagasozi.
Your grandfather like that.
Sure,
Sawa.
that's right. Because only Yaman Ali has a privilege in this house anyway.
Cyane yuko kubera ko yamana ari muri inzu bamukunda kurusha abandi bose.
rooms now. Go on then.
Fine, Grandpa.
Sana ari bimuze.
Listen, I'm sorry, but I'm not as generous as you are. I can't just
Nta kibazo.
doing anything.
Cye nta kibazo n'umunyaka rero ubundi mpagaze hano nta kintu ndi gukora aconi.
Alex. Go after him.
Kurikira uriya mwana
Do something crazy.
ataza gukora ikintu cy'ubugori kimukurikira.
We'll be starving here soon, I swear to God.
Kize gutya arakurikira. Shode Alex. Kandi umbabarire. Hakuno kwereka hano wari uri kugenda muri karitsiye ngo ugiye gushaka nyina ni Alex. Kugera hano yasanze nde? Yasanze Alicia hano. Kubitaho amahoni iki kigoryi. Kumba Alicia kuza kureba. Sanze ari nde Alex. Mukinga.
Sure.
Sawa urakoze kunyumva.
At least take this slowly, though.
Basi fani ingorofani yanyu mu nzira yivanemo cyaho yireke kapfa. Hari ukuntu umuntu yaguhimye ngo uguhima atiretse gusurira muryamanye. Yoza kuyikurura yumvira remereye. Ni Alex arikanga agapfuye. Ibi ni ibiki wagwani? Ibi ni ibiki wagwani?
Just you mean
Hakuno George. Jano. Maze nimba ari amazi yo kunywa nimba ari iki? Basinze bose. Abo mwana be na nyina kureba hano mu isakoshi. Sanzemo agaherena kandi ka Nathalie. Bebe, hakuno.
Your man.
Yaman.
Your man.
Yamani we.
Will hurt your back. Go lay inside.
Wa mwana yashaka ahantu uryama utaza kubyuka ubabara umugongo.
You did now. Come on.
Gase nari binari.
No.
Natuza.
No need.
Nta mpamvu.
You just make the coffee though.
Mm-hmm.
Wadutekeye agakawa cyane. Ikawa yabatekeye. Ze.
Well, let's make her drink this coffee, so that she'll recover. Her family must be worried.
Katumwe kano gakawa ubundi mama taye iwabo bataza guhangayika naribi.
Come on.
Okay naribi. Gakira. Jira tukire.
Mother?
Ivan.
Come on, Mom.
Mama, gira ariko mama.
Who put this on me?
Ubundi ibi ninde wabikizeho bamworoshe. Ni wowe wabimushyizeho bimubwira.
Say.
Kumbe hakuno barakwereka ari
Ian,
So you're not messing with me?
why would I mess with you? Doctor is his father.
Ntago ndi gukina nawe dogiteri ni wewe se wa Yamani wiki.
I understood now.
Noneho ndi kubyumva.
That jerk Steven, why would he be Yemen's father? He
Ubundi
doesn't...
gute Steven yaba se wa
They're
Yamani.
not similar at all.
Ko batanasa uriya muginga.
Something. I'm so glad.
Ni ukuri birananshimishije njye simbabeshye ninde.
I'm father.
Ni Kayizari.
Someone is not around. The boy must be ruined now. He's been trying for months to make the family accept him for once.
Uburyo yahatirije se kugira ngo uriya muryango umwakira zikari iwabo sha.
Swings. What else could he want there?
Ni iki kindi yaba ashaka hariya na aviyo pasi agaruke tubane.
I'm late. Gotta run now.
Bose nakererewe reka njye mu kazi hehe.
Now.
Ndaje.
What the hell are you up to?
Ese uri mu biki muri iyi minsi?
Who are you?
Hey,
Ikihe kibazo we?
any excuse to just kill me.
Yeah.
I got a job, okay?
Njye mfite
The
akazi.
construction site.
Nsigaye ndi umuyede ahantu ku ishansiye.
Which construction is that?
Iyihe shansiye?
You'll come to visit me one day and see,
Ushaka kuzaza kunsura umunsi umwe uzaza ariko ureke kunsasa.
and I'll just sit while I'm working.
Wejye ukomeza wicare mu gihe ngiye mu kazi ibindi byiyore. Uretse.
What's the perfume?
Ku buryo ujya ku ishansiye ukitera na parufe.
Myself, Alice.
Bashaka kugenda ndi umusirimu Alice.
On the first day of my job, anything wrong with that?
Cyane ko ari umunsi wa mbere ngiye mu kazi
Wait.
hari ikibazo bifiteho.
I'm late. See you. I gotta go.
Ntanakererewe bye reka mbe ngiye bye. Sure.
This place stinks now.
Hano hantu naho hasigaye hambangamira. Sure.
Mom? Are you okay? Come.
I'm just a bit dizzy. But you really
Umeze neza mfite isereri wowe.
keep me sober.
Ni iki cyatuma mba soba? Kira.
Some of this.
Banza umwe kuri ibi ngibi bamuha ikawa. Akira unywe ariko ni George.
Did they call from home?
Alex called. I told him you're with me.
Alex yamamagaye mubwira ko turi kumwe.
Fine.
Sawa. Shira wari wakomanze.
Open it.
Dore ko Alex ari gushaka nyina nimba ari we nimba atari we I don't know. Ja kuno. Please I'm begging you basabye imbabazi abantu mwese muri kureba iyi filime. Sanda hari ukuntu yaba bitameze fresh.
He's here. Upstairs.
Gukaranga amagara nagamanika akaboko mama anje ari hejuru injira mu nzu. Injira mu nzu ari hejuru.
Be wise, okay?
Wa mwana ugabanye zagara.
Got this.
Sanari be muganga ibinda bifite. Azamuka hejuru nyine genda ca. Shaho. Shoni Alex. Shio. Zakuno. Koma mu mashyi felicitation. Byiza.
Bravo, really?
Byiza cyane pe.
What are you doing here?
Uri gukora ikintu?
Let's speak when we're home.
Oh, and you're drunk as well.
Nanjye nanijye guta. Wanasinze se Mary. Wanasinze.
Tell me,
Ndambwira.
how much more of a disappointment do you plan to be for us?
Ubundi uzadutungura bingana iki?
Didn't drink on purpose.
Kinga we. Ntabwo yanyweye abishaka. Eva muri ibi.
Did you?
Niwe wabasindishije.
Slow down.
What are you asking for right now?
Genze gacucu ikihe kibazo?
For my family. For my...
Jya kureba umuryango
For a
wanjye.
huge lie.
Menye umurongo utagomba kurenga.
I'm speaking to my mom, move it.
Cyane kuvugana na mama. Yuko nanjye ni mama ariko ntugabanyoza.
Come with me now.
Ngena. Uyatwara umwana we. Tuza.
Dad, come home. He's home.
Papa yatashye
For you.
mu rugo. Wowe.
Do you know that he was still gonna listen to you? He even convinced us and we waited for you.
Ibaze ko papa yanatwumvishije tugatuza tugutegereje. Kumbi webereye.
I was coming back.
Ubundi nari ntashye. Koko.
But first you need to make up with your son. As usual, he's first.
Ariko ushaka iki gituma uhora buri munsi ushaka kwinginga umwana wawe
Let me
mu bandi
about it now.
buri gihe ahora ari uwa mbere
Malibu because he's made with love.
Don't be ridiculous.
kubera ko mwamubyaye kubera
No.
urukundo se ni umwana w'urukundo ni umwana w'urukundo namwe murashona wagwana.
How would I fight with this? I lost from the beginning as a son of a man who used.
je naratsinzwe ku munsi wa mbere kubera ko
War.
ndi umwana w'umugabo washatse
Hey,
udakundwa n'isiti
Ali and
Ali.
Carla and Eve, none of you are loved any less.
ari wowe ari
Mom has for
karira
kids.
ari eva mwese muri abana banje bita kuri
To
gushwa.
how she feels for their father.
uratekereza yamani we yumvishije gutakimana kumenya ibyase
You don't love my dad.
nagukunda papa sibyo.
Alex, please stop it.
Alex
Did you
ndakwiyamukira
be my father then? What did you want then? Did it happen to be your dream that you couldn't get and the truth that you had to live?
ubundi ushaka ikintu ntabyigeze bikubera inzozi kubana na papa mufite umuryango utuje ndakwiyama. rekeraho rekera aho
You are my everything.
Don't you talk like that!
ntukambwire gutyo.
Are you at your lover's house at the first chance then?
uyakimumenyera uyavayo
Or I'll break your jaw.
wakigwa ryo nakumena urwasaya
Don't you misbehave.
utitwara nabi.
Saying.
Well, I asked you how to speak then.
Cut it out!
ntakuno rekera ariko mwabyana mwe rekeraho kubishwanira mu
Get
gihugu. rekeraho
Get out. Son, go now. Don't get on my nerves. Get out.
Alex,
mwese musoke mu
on him.
Alex reka dutahe sibyo dutahe
Stay.
ndetse nawe uretse basohotse hasi bamanutse hasi basohoke mu nzu. rebe
Boys, what are you doing here?
Alex uri gukora iki hano?
Huh?
Eh?
You are still brothers. Does that mean nothing to you guys?
kuba muvindimwe nta kintu bisobanuye kuri mwe. uriya mugore uri hejuru ni nyoko wanyu mwembi. uranyumva mwese ni nyoko.
Will be. You never deserved that brotherhood anyway.
ntabwo ari umuvandimwe ntazirimo umuvandimwe nubwo ubikwiriye. kura amenyo uyu nawe
Great.
nawe akura amenyo kigoryi utamenyera. ubundi ntabwo ukwiriye ko nkubera umuvandimwe. yamani na Alex do
Move. Move, Alex. Move it now.
Alex cishwa tugende cadutahe yabani buriya yemerewe no gutaha muri iriya nzu kuko ni kwa nyina. ibi byose Alex yigira nama ryo agomba kumushiramo. hey
Me, doctor.
nta mpamvu doctor.
I already have a house to go to.
n'ubundi mfite aho gutaha.
My family game ends here.
je nta kibazo ibintu byose birangira reka nitahire. gaco nitahire gaco. yamani yamani ali gaco rebe yasigaye wakuri muganga yiciraguraho bariya baratashye rebe
Hello?
Princess, you okay?
hamagaye hano gikoma ngo mumeze
Is
neza.
it possible to be okay in this house?
muri iyi nzu se hari umuntu ukemera neza urumva bishoboka.
Come to you now.
genda nice kukureba.
Come on then.
basi
I'm waiting in front of the house.
gutegerereje hanze. ngwino hakuno urebe.
Brother, we're waiting, but the price will go up.
muvandi ndagutegereje ariko igiciro kiraza kuba cyinshi we byihorera ariko igiciro urumva ari ibyadanje bari kumwishyuza sitasiyo nomo.
I don't care how much it costs.
ayo waca yose sinyitayeho.
And that's for sure.
cyane cyane ko igikomangoma kazi kiri kuza kundeba do. wagwani
I promised you a movie, so I thought I'd keep it.
nakwemere ko tuzajyana kureba gasobanuye ngwino tugendere.
Of course.
igihe warushe kureba cyane.
Thanks so much, by the way.
urakoze hagati aho.
I really didn't want to stay at home.
ndakubeshya sinashaka kuguma mu rugo pe nari naharambiwe. jya mu modoka tugende nyine.
Never mind. Let's go then.
niba ari byo twigendere duco.
Yes, that's it. Okay.
Bacaho rebe icomese muri taxi hakuno bacaho.
Wait here.
Tegerereza hakuno Alex ari kumwe na mama wiwe. Banye umukecuru mu modoka da. Umukecuru yasinze shawo. Yaguye nimba ari inzoga bwoko kizimeza atangirwa na bazaki. Umukecuru hakuno yinjiye mu nzu. Ibisazi ni ibindi.
Where have you been?
Wari uri hehe?
Huh? Where are you from? What happened to you?
Cyakugendekeye bite?
But mother has lost her mind.
Mama yasaze.
So I had to bring you back.
Alex.
Agombaga kujya kumuza.
What?
Alex.
Ashamed or something?
Tinyo. Ufite isoni?
You're forgetting that I'm your mother, Alex.
Alex, uri kwibagirwa ko ndi nyoko cyangwa?
Get that straight.
Will you explain this to me?
Wansobanurira.
What happened?
Byageze bite wari uri hehe ubundi?
She had been drinking with her ex-love.
Mama yari yasinze yasindanye no mu ex we n'umwana we. Kuki?
She'll tell us tomorrow.
Alex.
Have a good night.
Ugire ijoro ryiza kwanza.
Natalie.
Father, silence.
Natalie, papa, mbabarira uceceke.
Good night.
Kandi ugire ijoro ryiza ndakwiyamye. Ibi byose ni amakosa y'uyu musaza wagiye gutuma abantu bakundana badashyingiranwa. Imitsi filimi ica kuri Ganza TV, kuri dekoderi ya Star Times. See you, bye bye, ciao ciao.